Good day, Prof. Good day, colleagues, and good day, viewers. My name is Dr. Abubakar Sadiq Isa. I'm here to present my PhD research proposal on economic viability of transitioning to a renewable energy powered transportation in Nigeria. Three-wheeler case, that's keke napep. The table of content for the research is introduction, research question, problems, objectives, literature review, methodology, stakeholder engagement, timeline for the research, and conclusion. So the introduction is Nigeria as one of the largest economy in Africa faces significant challenges related to transportation inefficiencies, fuel dependency, and environmental degradation. With increasing global emphasis on sustainability, transitioning to renewable energy powered three-wheeler transportation presents an opportunity for economic growth, energy security, and environmental benefits. This proposal seeks to evaluate the economic feasibility of transitioning to renewable energy powered three-wheeler transportation in Nigeria, considering cost implication, infrastructural requirement, and potential benefits. The research question is how economically viable is transitioning to renewable energy powered three-wheeler transportation in Nigeria? Some of the problems considering some of the problems that might arise are high dependency on fossil fuels, leading to economic and environmental vulnerabilities, limited infrastructural support, which is for renewable energy transportation, which is like the charging stations, then high initial cost of acquiring the renewable energy powered transportation, and lack of policy and regulation challenges which might affect the adoption of the renewable energy transportation, and lack of an awareness and acceptance for the renewable energy transportation options. The objectives that we aim to achieve at the end of the research is we aim to assess the current state of Nigeria's three-wheeler transportation sector and energy dependency, and to also analyze the economic benefits and challenges of adopting three-wheeler energy powered transportation, and to also evaluate the required infrastructure and policy framework for successful implementation, to also identify opportunities for investment and innovation in Nigeria's renewable energy transportation sector. We also aim to provide recommendations for phased sustainable transition. The literature review will look at the aspect of global best practices in renewable energy powered transportation, case studies from countries that have successfully transitioned to renewable energy transportation, economic analysis of electric two-wheelers and other renewable energy powered transportation or fossil fuel counterpart, studies on Nigerian energy sector, transportation policies, and infrastructural gaps, report on impact of fossil fuel subsidies on economic sustainability. Methodology. The study will employ a mixed methods approach, including quantitative analysis, economic modeling of cost, benefit, and return on investment for renewable energy transportation, qualitative analysis, expert interviews, policy analysis, and case studies of successful transitions. Surveys from stakeholders, public perception, surveys on renewable three-wheeler adoption. Comparative analysis, which evaluates Nigeria's potential by comparing with other economies that have transitioned to renewable energy powered transportation. Stakeholder engagement aims to look at key stakeholders like government agency, that is agencies like Ministry of Transportation, Ministry of Power, Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission, private sector investors, and three-wheeler manufacturers and associations. Private sectors, renewable energy companies and infrastructure developers, academic and research institutions, civil society and organizations advocating for sustainability, the general public to assess awareness and readiness for transition. The timeline is as follows. The first 1 to 2 months will be used for literature review and initial data collection. The third and fourth month will be used for stakeholder engagement and survey distributions. Fifth and sixth month, data analysis and economic feasibility assessment. Then 7th and 8th month, policy and regulatory framework evaluation. 9th month will be used for drafting of findings and recommendations. The 10th month will be used for final review and presentation of results. To conclude, the transition to renewable energy powered three-wheeler transportation in Nigeria presents significant economic and environmental benefit, but it also requires strategic planning, policy, and infrastructural investment. This study aims to provide comprehensive analysis of feasibility, cost, and long-term benefits of such transition, ultimately guiding policymakers, investors, and industry stakeholders towards sustainable three-wheeler transportation future for Nigeria, because Nigeria has dependency on three-wheeler transportation. Thank you very much for the opportunity, Prof.